So I called the TA yesterday because my truck was pretty much done in the afternoon. I got the crossbar in, the tie rods. They tightened the bolt on the yoke. They put that washer on and tightened the engine mounts up. Refilled the AC for me supposedly, and I'm good to go. Well, the AC's blowing about 50 degrees, maybe 48-ish, something like that. And I got to turn on my sleeper fan, and yeah, I'll show you the carnage here. So yeah, there's the blower fan. I had to fix this when I first got the truck. The fan was just wobbling around in the case here, and I sealed it all up around the I guess around the tube that goes in there, because the foam came apart and the foam was laying in there and making noise. And I pretty much pulled it apart and fixed it, and it's been working good for about, what, 9 months now, 10 months. And the truck sat for, what, a week and a half, and decided to come apart. So yeah, it's that's the little things now that are just getting really annoying. Like, it's nonstop, over and over and over. I know for a fact I had the AC filled at an AC shop, and it was rather warm that day, and it was like blowing like 35-degree air. So today it's 80, very little humidity, and it can barely get down to like 45 degrees, 48 degrees, if that. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I always keep tools on me so I can do stuff like this, because I'm basically sitting here waiting till 4 o'clock for the next DOT guy to show up and them to call me. Yeah, I called, like I said, I called yesterday, and they said the guy would be here at 7. I show up, and apparently he called out. So instead of driving 2 hours almost back home for my re-inspection, I just decided to sit here and wait. So that's that. So I guess I'll see you guys later, and yeah, have a good one.